This place is called the Elbow. It's a place where my great-grandparents sort of looked after. So we've known this place all our lives growing up here. It sustains us through its kai that it provides through the taonga in there, and it spiritually looks after us too.
So we already knew that tuna are massively in decline, like there's no argument about that.
In Waikato we've got around over 60 flood pumps. The biggest issue is that they chop up our eels and nothing actually survives. It's pretty much 100% kill rate on these flood pumps, and nothing's actually out there at the moment that's got a solution for our New Zealand longfin.
This project was all about what are things that we can do to try and support tuna, and this used to be a paddock. So we got the diggers in and we created this pond and we fenced it off and planted these trees. The whole point was to create habitat for tuna.
I think if tuna had a voice, they'd probably say turn the switch off the pump.
I reckon they might say something like, we were here first and through your actions you've massively made us in decline, and you have an obligation and a responsibility to look after us, to protect and enhance us.